And after making the notepad files, you will notice that you will have these two files. So one is Naka 0012 close file, which is the sharp trailing edge, and second one is the Naka 0012 open or the square type of the trailing edge. After that, we will open the workbench from the start menu and drag the geometry icon on the workspace or the project schematic, and then simply double click on the geometry cell or the cell A2 here to open the design modeler. So here I have already done this thing, so I will double click on the geometry to open the design modeler. So here, after opening the design modeler, I will go to the concept menu. From here I will choose the 3D curve, and then in the method I will choose from coordinate file, and then I will browse the file and then open the file. After opening, you will notice that after hitting the generate button, you will see that in the tree outline you will get the one curve, and also Airfoil will be displayed in your graphical user interface. So let me do it on the design modeler. So I will go to the concept menu and then click on the 3D curve, and the method is from the coordinate file, and in the coordinate file browse the required location. So I will choose the Naka 0012 sharp trailing edge, and I will choose the CFD courses, and it is the workshop to Naka 0012 design modeler. And here I have these two files. One is the close, second is the open. So I will choose the close one and then click on the generate. So you can click on look at to align the geometry with the screen, or you can click on Z axis to align in the X5 plane. So here we have the geometry, and now I will make the new plane at the origin, so that I can make the further processing. Before that, I will create a surface from the Airfoil, and after that I will create a new plane at the origin at the trailing edge of the Airfoil. So here I will go to the concept menu, and here I will choose the surface from the edges and choose the edge, and make sure that the selection mode is for the edges. Here apply, and then click on the generate. To make this command work, it should be noted that the curve should be closed. So if the curve is not closed, that is for the open Airfoil, you will get the problem. So you have to make the line extra here by yourself, and then you have to convert the line into the edges. So you have to select the line from edges to make the line there, and then after that you can choose one line for the curve, second line is you just made it. So after that you can use this command. But because here we don't have any open type of the Airfoil at the trailing edge, so we can directly select the geometry and create the surface. And you can also hide these alignments are known as the cross section alignments, and you can see the geometry here. You can also display the vertices if there are any. And as you can see here, we have the sharp trailing edge, and we have the round surface at the leading edge. After that, I will make a new plane. So I will choose the plane from here, new plane, and this will be the base plane, will be the XY plane. And here I will choose the option or type to be from the coordinates, And because the chord length of the aerofoil is a 1 meter, so I will just put the x1 to move this coordinate system to the trailing edge of the aerofoil, and then just click on the generate. So remember, for the every command, whenever you want to apply it, so first you have to process the command and then it's ready. Then you have to press the generate button every time to make the command applied on the your case.